Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, today is our fifth lecture of the second unit. Yesterday we have discussed one important point that was related with the planning language, and we have discussed about the planning language strips and also the successor of the strips, that is the ADL, Advanced Descriptive Language. Also, we have discussed why we need this kind of technique or the languages like the strips and the ADL, etc. So because as we are discussing in case of the artificial intelligence, we need to solve the problems. We in the sense the AI agent, and to make the AI agent to solve the problems, we need to do the planning. AI agent need to do the planning. We have discussed what exactly mean by the planning or the planning problem. Okay, when I use the word planning or the planning problem, it is same. Okay, and there's a need to do the planning problem or the planning, to solve any kind of problem in case of the artificial intelligence for the particular AI agent. Okay, that we have discussed. Then what is the planning? Doing the planning in the sense what? Need to take the some kind of a decision, or we can say formalizing or making the number of sequence of action so that we can reach from our initial state to the goal state.
Goals.
Okay. And so how now in for the AI agent to do that kind of planning, okay, there is a utilization of what we can say this different kind of technique and the planning languages like yesterday we have discussed the strips and the ADL. Okay, strips stands for what?
Stand for research institution problem solver.
Stanford Research Institute for the Problem Solver.
Solver.
And this is the mother technique or the mother planning language of all the languages which are now available. Now our today's point of discussion is this. We are going to solve one more and yesterday in that we also discussed the one important problem and the solution to that problem that was related with the block word problem. Understood? I hope all of you understood that. And yesterday I forget to upload the video, so today I have uploaded the video also. Okay, that's a very important 8-mark question being always there for that that kind of question. And today also we are going to discuss one more 8 marks question, that is the spare tire problem. Okay, spare tire problem in artificial intelligence and solution to that spare tire problem using the strips or the ADL. Okay. Now these already things we are discussing what is meant by the planning problem in the artificial intelligence. It is about the decision making performed by the intelligent system or the creature like the robots or the human robot. We can call the robot as a human robot also, or the computer program when trying to achieve some goal. So it involves the sequence of action that transform the particular initial state into the goal state. Also, we have discussed what exactly mean by the planning is nothing but the performing some set of action, and in order to perform the action, we need the what? Before performing the action, some precondition has to be get satisfied. So related with the different problem, okay, related with the different problem, this precondition can be different, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So yesterday we have discussed some of the precondition related with the block code problem, etc., etc. And after this precondition gets satisfied, the action can be get performed. Yesterday we have discussed in that example. And after performing the action, the result of that action is get generated. Okay. So these things already we have discussed. Now, so our this is our today's point. What exactly is the spare tire problem in the AI? First, we understand what is the spare tire problem, and then we'll try to solve it using the various kind of action. Okay. Now, just like yesterday, we have discussed the block code problem. Okay, what is the initial state, goal state, etc., etc. Now here, in case of the spare tire problem, we have the initial state given. Okay, spare tire means what? First, you need to understand what exactly mean by the spare tire. What is the general meaning of the spare tire? Any idea? Tire in the sense tire of the vehicle. Okay. Any vehicle. For example, you can here specifically you have to take the example of vehicle as a four-wheeler. Okay. Spare tire. Spare in the sense extra, which is available as a extra. Understood? की तुम्ही बघितलं असेल की फोर व्हीलर मध्ये आपल्याकडे एक ऑलवेज वी हॅव द वन स्पेअर टायर. जर आपली इफ अवर व्हेकल फोर व्हीलर get puncture somewhere where you can't find any puncture shop to make it clear, so we use that spare tire for that in that what can say the emergency situation. Understood? So I hope you have got the meaning what exactly mean by the spare tire. Now we have given the initial state. Now first we understand what exactly problem is. We have given the initial state. What is the initial state given? Directly it is being written here. Initial state is what? Flat tire. And by indicative mark I have written next the axle. Now what is the meaning of this statement is initial state is what? Flat tire at axle. Axle in the sense, what do you mean by the axle? व्हेकलचा जो टायरच्या आतमधला पार्ट असतो, रबर टायर आपण ज्याच्यावर बसवतो त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? ऍक्सल. यू गॉट द मिनिंग ऑफ ऍक्सल? ऍक्सलचं मिनिंग समजतो सगळ्यांना? गाडीचं जे चाक असतं बरोबर, त्या चाकाच्या आतमध्ये जो आपण ज्याच्यावर टायर बसवतो रबर टायर, तो आतमधला स्टीलचा पार्ट. ओके. Now what is given initial state? Flat tire. And what is the meaning of this symbol at? Flat tire at axle. म्हणजे काय? What does it mean? Flat tire at axle means की आपल्या गाडीचं जे टायर आहे ते पंक्चर झालंय. In simple way. You got the meaning. Flat tire म्हणजे काय? Flat in the sense there is no pressure in that tire. You got the meaning?
Yes, sir.
Flat tire म्हणजे काय? पंक्चर टायर in simple words. What is written here? Mention here flat tire at axle म्हणजे आपल्या गाडीचं एक टायर काय पंक्चर झालं. तर ते डिस्क्रिप्शन इथं लिहिलंय. That description is written here. That one tire of the vehicle has got puncture. It is being written in the descriptive form like flat tire at axle. Okay. And another thing also written here, spare tire at trunk. What does it mean spare tire at trunk? Trunk म्हणजे काय? आपल्या व्हेकलची डिक्की. Got the meaning? Yes. ट्रंक म्हणजे काय? आपल्या गाडीची डिक्की. तर व्हॉट इज मेन्शन हियर, देयर इज अ स्पेअर टायर ऍट द ट्रंक म्हणजे आपल्या डिक्कीमध्ये एक स्पेअर टायर आहे. दिस इज द इनिशियल स्टेट गिवन. अंडरस्टूड द इनिशियल स्टेट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the goal state? Now we have to reach to the goal state. The goal state is what? Spare tire at axle. What does it mean? You tell me.
Means ते ट्रंक मधलं टायर ऍक्सेल
Axle ला fit करायचे. That is the first goal state. Correct? And second goal state, flat tire at trunk. बरोबर ना? जे पंक्चर झालेलं टायर आहे ते कुठं जायला पाहिजे? ट्रंक मध्ये किंवा
गाडीच्या डिक्कीमध्ये.
डिक्की मध्ये. Understood. So this is the scenario we have given. This is the initial state and this is the goal state. This is a very simple, which is asked for the 8 marks number of times. Solution for the spare tire problem using the strips in the artificial intelligence. Okay, now this spare tire problem we can solve using the strips language. Okay, yesterday we discussed what exactly mean by the strips language and for what purpose it is being utilized. Its main utilization is for the purpose of doing the planning. That is also we are calling it as a automated planner also. So using this given following 4 action, okay, using given following 4 action, we can solve this spare tire problem. So what is the first action? Remove spare tire from the trunk. Correct? काय करायला पाहिजे आपल्याला? We have to remove the spare tire from trunk. Understood this?
Yes.
Second action that can be performed, remove the flat tire from the axle. Correct? Next action we have to perform, put the flat tire in trunk. Got the meaning?
Yes.
And last action is what? Put the spare tire on the axle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to understand here, you have to understand one point here. Now this out of these 2 action, anyone can be performed first. Does the sequence will matter here? Tell me. Whether sequence will matter here related with these 2 action?
No.
No. You can remove the flat tire first or you can remove the spare tire first. It doesn't matter. Similar is the case here also. You can perform any action here first or any action later. Correct? Here also sequence will doesn't matter. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so now this with the help of this 4 action, we can solve this problem. Very simple. But now in order to solve this problem, we have to apply the strips language and some of the parameters from the strips language and the ADL to solve this kind of problem. So let's go to that point. So all of you understood the initial state, goal state, and the how we can solve it using this 4 action. I hope all of you have got that. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now let's see the one by one. Okay. We have given the first action, remove the spare tire from trunk. Okay, what? Remove the spare tire from trunk. Now, what is the action for that? Simple action we have written here. Remove spare, trunk. तर हे जे आपण वर्ड स्टेटमेंट मध्ये लिहिलंय ते फक्त एक आपण एक वन इन वी हॅव रिटन इट इन सम अनदर फॉर्म. रिमूव्ह स्पेअर, trunk. Its meaning is what? Remove the spare tire from trunk. Now, what can be the precondition for that action to be get performed?
ते ट्रंक मध्ये जायचं.
Precondition काय असेल to remove the spare tire from trunk?
स्पेअर टायर ट्रंक मध्ये पाहिजे आधी.
Yes, that is the precondition. So there should be the spare tire in the trunk. So that is being written here at and in bracket spare, trunk. Okay, this is the way in the strips language the things are being get described. What? At spare, trunk. That is the precondition. Understood? Now this precondition is getting satisfied initially, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
कारण आपण इनिशियल स्टेट मध्ये तसं मेन्शन केलंय की स्पेअर टायर कुठे आहे ट्रंक मध्ये आणि फ्लॅट टायर कुठे आहे ऍक्सेल मध्ये, करेक्ट?
Axle.
So this precondition is getting satisfied. Now, so if this precondition getting satisfied, can we perform this action?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what will be the result of that action then? Result काय असेल त्याचा? Sorry, effect. Result in the sense the what will be the effect of that action?
Yes, sir.
Effect काय असेल? तुम्ही जर if you remove the spare tire from the trunk, what will be the effect? Effect will be like this.
Well, EMT.
Effect will be like this, yes or no? What is meaning of this?
So it may be in hand of AI agent.
Hmm?
AI agent च्या hand मध्ये असणार ते. Spare
आता
tire.
तुम्हाला याच्या एक हे सांगतो मी, स्ट्रिप्स लँग्वेजचा एक डिसएडव्हांटेज सांगतो मी. Now strips language doesn't consider the each and every small action while reaching to the goal state. Okay, it doesn't consider the each and every small situation in order to reach to the goal state. It only focus on broader action. You got the point. The point you now still that you just tell me, it is correct. But that is the one of the sub step in that effect. You got the point.
Yes, sir.
And what I am saying,
Yes, sir.
strips doesn't consider that kind of sub steps. It consider what? The broader steps. Got the point?
Okay.
Now,
Yes,
broader step after removing the spare tire from the trunk is what? What will the effect is what? This there will not be any spare in the trunk. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is being mentioned here. Negation.
That sign is negation, sir.
Negation, spare, comma, trunk. Negation in the sense negative. Ki there is a no spare in the trunk now after removing it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is the first action that will get performed. Okay. Then now here you are right that sub steps like here it should be mentioned that now after removing the spare tire from the trunk, it will be in the hand of AI agent. That is correct. But what I'm saying, the drawback of the strips language is what? It doesn't consider that small step. You are getting what I'm saying?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
It focus on the broader step and the broader action. So here all of you have got the first action, that is the removing the spare tire from the trunk. Okay. Let's move the second. Remove the flat tire from axle. So that is being written here, remove. Okay, remove flat comma axle in the simple one. Remove the flat tire from the axle. Okay. What should be the precondition for that? To remove the flat tire from axle? Precondition काय असेल त्यासाठी? To remove the flat tire from axle?
So tire axle or
Tire or axle वर पाहिजे. That is the precondition here mentioned. Flat precondition as a flat. You can mention the at also. At flat comma axle. की flat tire axle वर असला पाहिजे. Now, is it the flat tire is on axle? Is this precondition getting satisfied?
Yes.
Yes. In the initial state, we have written that it is given if flat tire is on the axle. So after this condition getting satisfied, can we perform this action now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Then what will be the effect of that?
Axle or tire nasla.
So that is mentioned here, negation, flat comma axle. Simple. Understood. So this is nothing but the second action that will be get performed. Yes, all of you understood this first and second action?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's move to the next. Now here you can see our third action, flat tire. Put the flat tire in the trunk.
Trunk.
What? Put the flat tire in the trunk. So here the parameter used for that is what? Put what? Put flat comma trunk. This action has to be performed. What? Put flat comma trunk. Now what should be the precondition for that? To put the flat tire on the trunk, in the trunk? What will be the precondition to put the flat tire in the trunk?
There is no flat tire at Excel.
So there should not be any flat tire on the axle. That is being
Excel.
that is being mentioned here. Understood? That is negation flat comma axle. Understood? Negation flat comma axle. It means that the flat tire should not be on the axle. Now, is this condition is getting satisfied here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because we have already removed the flat tire from the axle. Now it may be anywhere on the earth, etc., etc. So as this precondition getting satisfied, can we perform this action now? Yes, putting the flat tire in the trunk, correct? Yes or no? After this precondition getting satisfied, can we perform this action or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then what will be the effect of that action?
Flat tire.
Flat
on the
tire trunk मध्ये
That
राहील.
is here at flat comma trunk. Simple. Flat tire will be go into the trunk. Understood the third one? Yes.
Yes.
Let's come to the last one. That is a put spare tire on the axle. What? Put the spare tire on the axle. That is being written in the another form. Put spare comma axle. Now what could be the precondition for this action to be get performed?
Spare trunk मधून
स्पेअर टायर ट्रंक मध्ये नाही पाहिजे, बाहेर पाहिजे.
There should not be the spare in the trunk. That is being mentioned here. This is the precondition. Negation, spare comma trunk.
trunk.
Is this condition getting satisfied?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then what will be the now? Now after this precondition getting satisfied, can we perform this action now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then what will be the result of that action? What will be the effect?
Spare tire on axle.
Effect will be what? There will be the spare tire on axle,
Axle.
correct?
Yes, sir.
At spare comma axle, and so we have solved the problem here. Yes or no? That we want. We want the spare tire into the axle. This is the first thing. And second thing that we want the flat tire on the trunk. Got the point? We have reached to our goal state, that is here. Spare tire is at axle and the flat tire is at the trunk. Okay. So after performing all above this action, we can easily reach to our goal state, which is nothing but this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but the simple spare tire problem and the solution to the spare tire problem using the Streep's language in the artificial intelligence. Okay. Now one drawback of this is there that we have discussed. That is what? It doesn't consider all the small what we can say, we can also call that small step as a sub goals. Okay. While writing performing this number of action. Understood? That you can easily observe there. Okay, because when we are removing this flat tire from the axle
Trunk.
or the spare tire from the trunk, there must be another action. Another action can be okay. Another effect can be generated there. That can be what? That tire first might be come onto the earth. Okay, the hand of the agent, and then it will go to the axle or go to the trunk, etc. So that kind of things is not being considered here. Strips only focusing on only the broader step. Okay, main picture. Okay. So that is only the disadvantage. Now this kind of disadvantage has been sorted out in the further successor of the strips languages. Understood? So as you can see, this is the initial language to do the planning or as a automated planner. So number of demerits were also there related with the, or number of disadvantages was also there related with the strips language. Okay, the way proceeding happens accordingly, the number of changes are being done in case of that strips languages also. Okay, so this is the 8-mark question being asked number of times. I hope all of you have got this. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the today's session. Now let's just